In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a straight line in Tradingview. If you're new to Tradingview or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will take you from opening your chart to customizing and removing a line with confidence. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along in real time. First, open Tradingview and head to any chart. You can choose any symbol or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Make sure you're on the chart screen and that the price area is visible. If you want extra precision when placing your line, zoom in a little so the candles and key levels are easier to see. Next, look to the left-hand toolbar. Find the Drawings or Shapes icon. It's the one that looks like a diagonal line with a small square. Click it to open the Drawing Tools panel. This is where all your annotation tools live, and you'll use it frequently as you build and analyze charts. From the drop-down, select Trend Line. Even if you're drawing a standard straight line, not necessarily indicating a trend, this is the tool you want. Once it's selected, your cursor will act as the placement tool. Now, click once on the chart to set the starting point of your line. Choose the exact price level or candle you want to anchor it to. Take your time here. The first click establishes the base of your line. Drag your cursor to the point where you want the line to end. As you move, you'll see a live preview of the line extending from the starting point. When you're happy with the placement, release the mouse to lock it in. You've just placed a straight line on your chart. If you need to adjust it, no problem. Click and drag either endpoint to reposition, or change the angle, or click and drag the line itself to move it without altering its angle. This is great for aligning with highs, lows, or specific zones after a closer look. To customize the look, click the gear icon that appears when the line is selected. In the settings, you can change the color, style, or thickness to match your chart theme and make your annotations stand out. A clear visual style helps you read your charts faster. If you want to remove the line, simply right-click it and select Remove. That instantly clears it from your chart, so you can keep your workspace tidy. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.